up our retro pumpkin. So we're going to be creating a little banner pennant right here. So the first thing it says take the pen tool, and the color is going to be, whoops, I was selected on my mouth. Let me go back a step. Select off my mouth. There we go. Pen tool. Flip flop my colors because I don't want to fill for this one. And then they give me the color for this, which is 68, 41, and 36. So the same as the mouth. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to click once right here and click once kind of right here, but I'm going to click and drag this time to create that pennant, to create that thing. I'm going to hit return. So it ends. Alright, and again, it does not have to match exactly like the image. So the next thing we're going to be doing is creating some triangle pennants. So I'm going to use that polygon tool. Remember, that looks like the stop sign. But we need to choose how many sides, so 3. So I just clicked somewhere and hit 3. So that gave me my triangle. Obviously, you flip flop it. And then I'm going to say none on the stroke. And then they give me the colors for here, which is 244, 208, and 73. So I'm going to zoom in over here on this so I can kind of get closer using my free transform tool, my move tool. And it kind of has an overlap on this because we're going to trim that off here in a little bit. Okay. I like that size. I'm good with it. I'm going to create a few more. So again, I'm going to copy and paste. I have to rotate them a little bit. Alright, so I'm happy with that one. Now we're going to fill every other one with the brown color. So I'm going to show you a trick. So that's the brown color. So I'm going to use I've selected it with the selection tool. I'm going to grab my eyedropper and click right here. And it grabs that color that I want. Again, click on this one, grab my eyedropper, click there, and it grabs that color. So I don't have to type it in again. So the first thing we're going to do is select the new copy. So we're going to, let's just say, make a copy of the chord. So this is a chord. Command C, Command V. So select together the new copy of the flags and the Pathfinder. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to grab that right there. Hold down Shift. Grab my little pennants. And then it says to click the divide button in the Pathfinder. So Window, Pathfinder. I'm going to hit the divide button. It's not going to look like it did much. But if you go to Object, Ungroup, now I can come in here and click on that and hit delete. And it trims them off for me. Alright, another thing I'm going to do so it looks even is I'm going to Object Arrange, bring to front, so then it kind of looks nice and flowy. Alright, last thing we're going to do is we're going to create a ribbon effect. Alright, so I'm going to come in here, go to Rectangle, draw a long rectangle. It's not going to have an outline, and it's going to have a fill color of 246, 139, and 40. Now it's going to say to go to Object, Path, Add Anchor Points. which added an extra point right here. So now I can come in here and click, drag in, click, and drag in. Yay! Now, let me zoom out. Now I can come in here and move my stuff around. Again, be careful because this is all separate. So maybe what I would want to do is come in here and highlight this, or highlight this whole thing, which is probably the easiest, and group it. So now it's all one piece. So I can center it what I want, move it here. For your typing here, you can write whatever. It says Happy Halloween, but if you want to say, put your name, put Happy Halloween from your name. Again, it does not need to say Happy Halloween. It could say Happy Fall. I put, for mine, I put the Spanglers, which is my last name, so I can put it on my fridge. Yes, I put it on my fridge. All right, and then once you're done, first of all, you need to save it. To your folder. And then you will be printing these. So file, print. It should look something like this on your page. You should not, do not fit it to page this time. Okay, that's too big. Okay, so we'll cut these out, we'll get them laminated and put the magnet on, and we should be good to go. All right, that's it.